Judge Amalia Lyle Kearse, a black woman from Vauxhall, New Jersey, was within arm's reach of a Supreme Court nomination 41 years ago, and 35 years ago, and 31 years ago, and 28 years ago. In 1981, Kearse became the first black woman to appear on a presidential shortlist for a high court vacancy, a pinnacle she reached 3 more times over the next 13 years. She would have been the first black woman to serve on the Supreme Court had Presidents Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush or Bill Clinton chosen her from a small pool of possible nominees. Kearse is 84 years old, so her window is closed. On Friday, President Joe Biden nominated Kearse Brown Jackson, 51, fulfilling a campaign pledge to name a black woman for the first time. Legal observers, attorneys and authors who spoke to Forbes said Kearse's story demonstrates how black women, no matter how qualified, have long gotten short shrift when it came to opportunities to occupy one of America's most powerful positions. When I think about what we've lost these last decades. Speaking about Kearse, she added, "It's a part of the many stories of black women whose qualifications and experience were not recognized as fully as they should have been." Kearse is currently a senior judge with the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, based in Manhattan. She's been there since 1979, when President Jimmy Carter appointed her in the middle of a broader effort to diversify the federal bench. Kearse didn't return calls and emails requesting comment. Kearse is the first black woman judge to serve on any federal appellate court, according to the Howard Law Journal. At the Second Circuit, she was the first woman judge and second black judge behind eventual Supreme Court Justice Thurgood Marshall. Kearse was recognized as the first black woman on a Supreme Court shortlist in the 2020 book Shortlisted, Women in the Shadows of the Supreme Court by law professors Renee Kanaki Jefferson and Hannah Brenner Johnson. Here's Kearse's story as a prospective Supreme Court nominee. Kearse didn't sit squarely in any political camp, having been on the shortlist for 2 Republican presidents and 1 Democrat, and having been chosen for the federal bench by a Democratic president. A 1991 Los Angeles Times article described Kearse as a moderate Republican that noted her opinions on some social issues, including her 1989 dissent that defended the right to receive abortion information from federally funded clinics. The Wall Street Journal reported in 1993 that Kearse was a Supreme Court favorite among prominent lawyers, seen by Republicans as a cautious judge who is well-versed on securities issues, and Democrats note that she isn't afraid to take their side on social issues.